What if you could connect different membership sites, whether they are owned by you or your partners, so regardless of where the purchase happened from, you can deliver your content, your products from a completely different site. The good news is this is exactly what you can do using our plugin DAP to DAP. DAP to DAP will allow you to connect multiple DAP websites. Hello there, my name is Veena Prashant. I am the co-founder of DigitalAccessPass.com, fondly known as DAP. DAP is a membership plugin for WordPress, and today I'm thrilled to introduce to you DAP to DAP. DAP to DAP will give you incredible power in terms of how you can scale and grow your membership websites. It will allow you to connect different DAP-powered membership sites. Now, you probably already know what is product chaining in DAP. Using product chaining, you can set up rules in DAP to say if a user buys product A or if a user signs up for product A, also give them access to product B. Now, this is for two products on the same website. Now, imagine doing product chaining across two different websites. And this is exactly what you can do using DAP to DAP. Now, as you can see, this is an incredibly powerful feature because with the click of a few buttons, you can connect multiple membership sites and you can deliver your product, your content from any site. Now, here are some of the things you can do using DAP to DAP. You can give users access to products on a completely different site. So when users get access to a product on the source site, you can configure DAP to DAP to automatically give them access to a product on the destination site. Number 2, remove access. When users lose access to a product on the source site, maybe because they canceled or because of non-payment, whatever the case may be, when users lose access to a product on the source site, you can configure DAP to DAP to automatically remove their access to the product from the destination site. Number 3, you can keep user accounts in sync between the source site and the destination site. What this means is when users update their password or their profile information on the source site, if you want that to be synced to the destination site, so users can continue using the same credentials to log into the destination site, all you have to do is enable syncing between the source site and the destination site. Again, that's a DAP to DAP configuration. It's really easy to set up. And as long as you have access to the DAP to DAP plugin, you can do all of this very easily with the click of a few buttons using the DAP automation engine. Now let's take a look at some of the use cases. Number 1, bonus product delivery from a different site. So let's say you have two different DAP websites, and if someone buys product on site A, you want to give them access to a product on site B. Say that you want to give them access to a few bonuses and you want to deliver your bonus products from a different site. This is really simple to set up using DAP to DAP, and I'll show you how to do this in a little bit. Use case number 2, deliver your product, your content from a partner's website. Now let's say another DAP site owner is selling a product and you want to give away one of your products as a bonus on your site when someone buys a product on the partner site. Now, as long as both of you are using DAP, this is really easy to set up. They can select the product on their site that they want to connect to a product on your site, and with the click of a few buttons, these products can be connected in such a way that when a user gets access to a product on their site, they will automatically get access to the connected product on your site. Now, this is a win-win-win for everyone involved because your partners, they get a free bonus that they can give away to their buyers. The buyers, they get an extra bonus, and you get to create a list of buyers on your site that you can later on promote other products to. Use case number 3, rewarding affiliates even when you are delivering your content to your product from a completely different site. Now, in this scenario, you have your product on your main site, but say that you want to upsell products from completely different sites, site A and site B. You have the content for the upsell products on two completely different sites. Using DAP to DAP, all of this is possible. Now, from user's perspective, all of this is happening on the main site. They complete the purchase of the main product. They are transferred to the upsell page on the main site where they can take your upsell offer, right? So from their perspective, it's all happening on the same site, but you can deliver your products from different sites. So the main product can be delivered from the main site. The upsell products can be delivered from completely different sites. Users are going to receive their welcome email for the main product from the main site and for the upsell products from completely different sites. And also using DAP to DAP, you can keep these accounts in sync. You can configure DAP to DAP so that when users update their password or change their profile on the main site, DAP to DAP will automatically sync the updates to the other connected sites. This way, they can use the same password to access accounts on different sites. Now let me give you a quick tour of the DAP to DAP plugin to show you how easy it is to install, set up, and integrate different DAP sites using the DAP to DAP plugin. So first thing you need to do is download the DAP to DAP installer from your members area on the Wicked Cool plugin site. Now, if you're a DAP Elite member or if you're a DAP Platinum member, this plugin is free for you. And if not, if you have purchased this plugin, you'll be able to download it from your members area on the Wicked Cool plugin site. So go ahead and download it and then upload it to WordPress like any other WordPress plugin. So say that you're looking to integrate Site A and Site B using the DAP to DAP plugin. So you need to install the DAP to DAP installer plugin and activate it on both sites, on both the source site as well as destination site. If you have more than one destination site, if you want DAP to DAP to add users to multiple sites, make sure to install the DAP to DAP installer plugin first on all of these sites. So first select the version of DAP to DAP that you want to install and then just click on this button here that says DAP to DAP one-click install. It will upload the files to your site and installation is complete. That's all you have to do. So once you have uploaded the files, then you're all set. Now you can go to the DAP automation engine and you will find an option for DAP to DAP there and you can use it to integrate different DAP sites. So let me show you how to do this now. Alright, so you can log into the DAP admin dashboard, go to products, click on manage automation. There you will find product automation and profile automation. Product automation we already had, but now we have added DAP to DAP as an option there. So now you can use the DAP automation engine to integrate two different sites using DAP to DAP. So I'll show you this in a bit. Profile automation is new. So this will allow you to sync password and user profile information from one DAP site to another. All right. So let's start with the product automation. So I'm going to click on this. So here I'm going to select Gold membership. This is my source site. When users receive access to the Gold membership product on my source site, I want them to receive access to a same name product on the destination site. And I want to deliver my content from the destination site. So all the content for the Gold membership product, I have it on the destination site. I don't have it on the source site, but the product exists on the source site. So I have selected the Gold membership product here and I'm going to click on Start Automation and add a trigger. So the trigger is when user receives access to product. Save the trigger. So when users receive access to the Gold membership product on the source site, add an action. What I want to do is select DAP to DAP here. So this is something we have added newly. You'll see an option for DAP to DAP, and this will only show up if you have access to the DAP to DAP license. Select DAP to DAP and then select action. So here it says add user to product on destination site or remove user's access to the product from the destination site. So I'm going to select add user to product on the destination site. So here it says enter destination domain. So here I'm going to enter the destination domain. Enter secret key. So this is something you have to enter in the setup config page on your destination site. This is for security reasons to make sure that only valid requests are allowed to add user to product on your site. Whatever you enter in the secret authorization key here, make sure to copy this. It can be anything you want it to be. Then just go back to the source site and here enter the same key. All right. And that's it. Click here to set up connection with the destination site. So click on this button. So you can see it picks up all the products that you have on the destination site. So you don't have to do anything. You don't have to manually enter product name. It shows you all the products that you have on the destination site. All right. So now this is the product which I want to sync. So again, you can select more than one product. So if users get access to Gold membership on the source site, but if you want to give them access to multiple bonus products, for example, on the destination site, you can select all of those products here from the destination product list. So here I'll just select one and save action. All right. So when users receive access to the product Gold membership on the source site, they will automatically receive access to the right product on the destination site. That automation has been set up now. Now I want to add another trigger because when users receive access to the Gold membership on the source site, I want to give them access to the same product on the destination site. Similarly, when users cancel their membership, when they lose access to the Gold membership on the source site, I'm going to add another trigger here that says when user loses access to the product on the source site to the gold membership product, add an action. I want to also remove their access to the product from the destination site. So here I have entered the domain name, secret key, click here to set up connection. I'll select the product. So users will lose access to this product on the destination site. Save it. That's it. So you can see here, gold membership automation is when users receive access to gold membership, they are added to the product on the destination site. And when users lose access to the gold membership, they will lose access to the configured product from the destination site. That's it. So the automation is set up. So the next thing we are going to do is set up profile automation, and then I'll test it and show you how it works. So let's go back to the manage automation page. I'm going to now click on profile automation. So here I want to configure DAP to sync any password updates to the destination site. So that's what I'm looking to do with the profile automation. So I'm going to just give it a name, profile update, start automation, add a trigger, select trigger when user profile is updated on the source site, save it, add an action. What should happen is I want the profile to be synced to the destination site. So what's the destination site? Enter the domain name, enter the secret key. Again, the secret key is something that you have to get from the DAP setup config page on the destination site. Whatever you have entered there, make sure to enter the same key here. Click here to set up the connection. So here you can see all of these fields are there, and you can sync any of these fields to the destination site. You can select all. If you want to sync all the fields to the destination site, so when users change any one of these fields on the source site, they will all be synced to the destination site. Or you can just select specific fields. So if you just want to keep first name, last name, email, and password in sync, you can just select those 4 fields. So it really depends on what your specific needs are, and then go ahead and save action. That's it. So now DAP on the source site has been set up to sync profile updates to the destination site, and it will only sync the selected fields. Now let's go ahead and test it, because all the automation has been set up between the source site and the destination site. So now we can go ahead and test this. So I'm going to quickly do a couple of tests here. First thing, I'm going to go to the DAP members add page and give a new user access to the gold membership product on the source site. So what should happen is the user should automatically receive access to the gold membership product on the destination site, because that's how I have set this up. Also, the product names between the source site and the destination sites, they don't have to match. In my case, it does match for testing, but it does not have to match. All right, so I'm going to give this user access to the gold membership product. I'm going to click on add member. So I have added this user on the source site. And now I'm going to go and log into the destination site, and let's check if this user got access to the product on the destination site. So this is the DAP members manage page on the destination site, and you can see here this user has received access to the product on the destination site. So all I did was I gave this user access to this product on the source site, and because through the automation engine I had connected gold membership on my source site to the gold membership on the destination site, so this user automatically received access to the gold membership product on the destination site. So this is how easy it is to add users to completely different domain, completely different DAP sites. So now let's go ahead and test profile updates. So this is the source site, and this is the DAP edit member page on the source site. So I have changed this user's password on the source site because I have enabled password syncing. So this same password should have made it to the destination site as well. So now I'm going to try to log into the destination site using this password, using this new password. All right, so let's go ahead and test it. All right, so this is the login page on the destination site. So I'm going to go ahead and log in as this user, and I'm using the new password. So as you can see, the login was successful. So I changed password on site A. It was automatically synced to site B, and I was able to log into site B using the updated password. So as you can see, this is an incredibly powerful feature. Whether it's a bonus product or an upsell, you can get DAP to DAP to deliver your products, your content from a completely different site. You can get multiple membership sites talking to each other in a matter of seconds. When users are added to one site, you can get DAP to DAP to instantly add them to a completely different site on a completely different host. When users cancel their subscription, you can get DAP to DAP to instantly remove them from a completely different site. And not just that, you can get DAP to DAP to keep your user accounts in sync. If you are a DAP Elite member or a DAP Platinum member, this plugin is free for you. If not, just click on the buy button below to get started. If you have any questions about this plugin, I'll be happy to answer them for you. Just join my Facebook group. It's at membershipsitelab.com/group, and you are welcome to post your questions there. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.